Hi, my name is Jimmy and welcome to the Apple Collection. This is my private collection of vintage Apple products dating all the way back to 1976. The collection is based in Dubai in the United Arab Emirates, and today we're going to be unboxing the Vestaboard Smart Messaging Display. The Vestaboard is a internet connected split flap display. It's a bit of retro feeling tech. Invoking the clickety-clackety split-flap displays that many of us grew up seeing in airports and train stations. But this one is more compact, internet connected, and it looks really cool. So I'm looking forward to unboxing it and setting it up. We're going to be mounting it up on the wall behind me, and it'll go just above the Apple one that you can see there in the center of the wall. So without any further ado, let's get started. So we've completed the installation of the Vestaboard here at the Apple Collection. I think you'll all agree with me that it fits right in with our retro tech theme, and we couldn't be happier. Installation was actually easier than we expected. It took only about half an hour to install, and a lot of that time was spent dealing with cable management and making sure it was level and centered. We are really pleased with the outcome, because not only does it look good and work well, but it also sounds great. Thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned for more retro Apple themed content coming in the next few weeks.